good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am stretching my wash and go and showing you how I preserve my hair before I go to bed. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Now that that's done, let go. So as you all can see, I am sectioning my hair into 4 sections. Now that my hair is sectioned off, I'm going to take that back section and make it into a smaller section and use my handy dandy blow dryer on the highest speed and the highest heat setting and pull my hair taut so I can do the tension method, which is basically running the blow dryer up and down on that section. I just do the tension method for like 30 seconds, and then as you can see, there is a difference in the length of my hair. I'm just making sure that both sides are equal, making sure nothing is overstretched or anything like that. And by the way, if you would like to know what products I used on my hair to accomplish this wash and go, make sure you check out my wash and go video. I'll link it up above for you all. Get to the top, I don't stretch it as much as I would as if it was the back of my hair. It's just personal preference. But do any of you all stretch your wash and goes? If you do, let me know. What is the process of how you stretch your wash and goes? So I should have mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but I like to stretch my hair when my hair is 100% dry. Usually after I'm done sitting underneath my hooded dryer, my hair is 80% dry, so I just let my hair air dry for the rest of the time being, so that way I can stretch my hair. Because I notice whenever I stretch my hair on damp hair, my hair doesn't turn out how I like it. So that's why I wait until my hair is 100% dry. So I am done stretching my hair, and it's late when I was doing this, so it's time for me to go to bed. So I'm just taking my large silk satin scrunchie and I'm just gonna pineapple my hair. So now that my hair is in a pineapple, I'm just gonna wrap my hair in my satin scarf because that's my business. If you know where that's from, comment down below. Scarf is on, I am taking my Glow by Day bonnet and I am putting that on the top and making sure it is secured in the back. And then I'm going to go to bed and see you all the next day, which will be in the next clip for you all. Hey y'all, so it's the next day and I'm just taking everything down. Ooh, child, my hair is super flat, but that's okay because we about to take care of it. So just a little shake, shake, shake. Keep on shaking, and then just play with it a little bit until I get it to how I like it, and I'm good. Now that my hair is how I like it, I'm just gonna lay my edges real quick because the edges is like the icing on the cake, okay? Period. So I'm just using this Style Factor Edge Control in the scent Blueberry. Alright y'all, so these are the final results and the curls is what popping. The hair is juicy, the hair is moisturized, the hair is longer, the hair is a 10, okay? Like, this looks so good, and you can't tell me this don't look good, because if you do, you are lying. And on the list of things that I did was that, okay? And I just want to give a special thank you to my girl Toya Plus Curls for, you know, just giving me the idea to do a wash and go, because if it wasn't for her, I don't know what my hair will be looking like right now, to be honest. So make sure you check out her channel. It's Toya Plus Curls again, and let her know that your girl Nice sent you, okay? Period. But this is how I stretch my hair and how I preserve my hair overnight. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also, comment down below what is the process that you do whenever you're wrapping up your hair at night, or if you stretch your hair, let me know. Let's chat. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.